People often see the success of manufacturing leaders, but very few see the pressure, discipline, and sacrifices behind that journey. Tarang Parikh grew up the youngest of four in a Gujarati Baniya family in Ahmedabad.
My father was like highly disciplined person, punctual on times, and he taught me many ethical things during my earlier days. So this helped me to grow and understand the sympathy and being a good human being.
After mechanical engineering from LD College, Ahmedabad, he built his early career at Truschler, India, before his first real test in a leading multinational company interview in Pune.
They said, okay, we selected 3 people, but we are rejecting you. Your English is very poor. So I said, sir, पहले आप decide कीजिए आपको tool बेचना है कि language बेचना है.
Confidence got Tarang Parikh the job, but the journey also taught him a lifelong lesson.
Good judgment comes from experience. Experience comes from bad judgment.
A promotion took him from Mumbai to Delhi with 2 hours to decide.
I moved into the May month. The heat was like 46-degree temperature. My family, they were in Mumbai. They used to be comfortable. During initial days, I was in totally depression. Like this is what wrong decision.
Delhi tested Tarang, but he turned every challenge into success.
My target was 84 crore and I delivered 100 crores.
In 2017, he joined YG Cutting Tools as sales director.
This is the right company where I can take a challenge, I can check my capabilities.
8 months in, the chairman called him to Korea and offered him the managing director role.
I won the trust of the chairman and he started believing on the Indian people. Then he said, now you take a lead and whatever you want to do, I will support you blindly.
Rebuilding trust with distributors who had seen too many management changes took time and consistent delivery.
We registered 100% YOY sales growth.
India become the new sought after flavor for all powerful and developed countries governed by a Gujarati. The same resonance, if you see, you can feel in this company also. This company is also run by a very professional, cultured Gujarati, in fact.
9 years on, the company has grown 8 times in turnover, built a team of 800, and now exports to 4 continents.
Whatever commitment I give them, I promise them and I delivered those promises.